why is the BJP literally plotting and planning to prop up Mr. Rahul Gandhi? That's the charge the opposition is making against the BJP.
Navika ji, if you remember in your program several times, I have mentioned during the so-called Bharat Jodo Yatra that this yatra is not aimed towards BJP, neither it has to do with the towering personality of Shri Narendra Modi. It was just to show their place to those parties whose leaders have nurtured the ambition of becoming the national leaders, whether it is Mamta ji or KCR or Nitish Kumar or Naye Navele Kejriwal, etc. So Congress has shown that from Kanyakumari to Kashmir we are here, and where are you? So now it is now their turn, that they are trying to show the Congress their natural place. So it is nothing but an infighting for the issue of who is become more prominent in opposition. There is no question of forming the government or something like that. But I would like to say, अभी आपके में अखिलेश जी कह रहे थे, फ्लोर कोऑर्डिनेशन हो जाता है, जमीन पे अलग अलग हैं, जमीन के लिए ये अलग है नाविका जी, जायदाद के लिए एक साथ है. The only binding factor is the charges of corruption. Protect the family, save the corruption. And on the issue of Mamta ji, who has just couple of days back has invited and warmly shaking hands with Akhilesh ji, I remember during the Bengal elections, what was the famous sentence of Mamta ji? Oh, UP ka gunda log aake chala aa raha hai. And unfortunately, the party with whom
that was the BJP.
She has joined hands. The slogan raised by, it was not by BJP. चढ़ गुंडन की छाती पर मोहर लगाओ हाथी पर.
बीजेपी के गुंडे थे.
स्लोगन ऑफ BSP by मायावती, that is बुआ जी ऑफ लखनऊ. सुनिए तो, लखनऊ की बुआ जी को समझ में आ गया था कौन गुंडा है. अब कलकत्ता वाली बुआ जी को कब समझ में आएगा ये तो राम जाने, क्योंकि लखनऊ वाली बुआ जी को ने तो अपनी पार्टी का राजनीतिक राम नाम सत्य किया था. अब जय श्री राम का विरोध करने वाली कलकत्ता की बुआ जी का क्या होगा हश्र, ये भविष्य बताएगा. इसलिए पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में द पार्टी विच इज सिंबलाइज विथ, नॉट आई एम नॉट सेइंग, अगेन आई एम कोटिंग श्री अजीत सिंह who has said, जिस गाड़ी में लगा हो सपा का झंडा समझ लेना बैठा उसमें कोई गुंडा. And now Mamta ji is welcoming that. So I think they have become so much desperate. I agree to what Sushmita ji has said, that all these parties are very strong in their home state. But what is outside? क्या अखिलेश जी से कोई वोट मिलने वाला है बंगाल में, या ममता जी से उत्तर प्रदेश में, या केसीआर जी से बंगाल में? It's not possible. तो ये कुछ नहीं है, just a matter of convenience. Save the family, protect the corruption.